Okay, so first we'll start off by creating an account. Okay, let me show you the interface. Do you have an idea about how it looks? So when you sign in, you'll have this button called create. Okay, I'll explain to you some of the stuff here. So create will help you create new projects. If you go here, which says my stuff, this is where you can see a bunch of projects that you will be creating. Okay, and you can also share your projects. So it'll be under the folder shared projects, and there's unshared projects, and then you'll have studios. All right, so you just got to create, and when you click on create, it's gonna open a window like that. Do you see? Every character like this in Scratch is called a sprite. In this part of the window, you'll be able to see all your sprites. You can add backgrounds, you can add sprites and stuff like that in this part of the window. Underneath it, you can see some of the properties of sprite, like say the name, the size, where it is, what direction it is facing, and stuff like that. At the center here is where you code. Okay, and on the side you can see some of the codes, like some of the predefined codes on this side. So these codes will make your sprite do certain things. So when I say move 10 steps and I click on it, you can see that the sprite moves 10 steps. For different actions of the sprite, they're segregated into different codes. So under motion, those codes, whatever code you find under motion, is related to movement. So you can make something move. Under looks, it is about how to make it say something. On a cat sprite, I can go here and I can change, the way it looks. So first we will start off by writing a very simple code where we will make the cat sprite say something. So if I want my cat sprite to say hello, then I bring that code here. Yes. When you read it like this. When flag is clicked, the cat sprite says hello for 2 seconds.
Oh.
Then I click on flag. You can see that the cat sprite is saying hello for 2 seconds.
I don't know why it's facing backwards now. Maybe I should go like this. Okay, I should change it. Ooh, now I know.
No.
Now I know how to do it. Put horizontal. Put that over here. Now I know how to do her now. Okay. Flip horizontal. Great, I have her. I'm really smart. I did it. Flip horizontal.